Hello everyone, welcome back to the project. Before I put the turbo on, pull the hat off, and these are all the springs. And according to Tial spring chart, I need a green and a red. I need at least minimum of 10 psi for the spring, and the rest will be controlled by ECU Honda. So I'm going to take off this hat and see if I could compress this too without using. I don't think I can. Yeah, I guess I can use my hand, or well, I have a little clamp here that I can use to help me out. Yeah, I need to make sure that this thing is secured together with the screamer pipe before I put that on, because it's a little bit of a pain to secure this thing with all the pipe and everything. Yeah, it's got dirt already. I believe on the fake one, you just have to make sure that all the Allen screws are all secured. But this one, I'll just give it a whack. Whack. Just to make sure. Okay. And it has all this channel. That's where the spring's gonna sit at. So it won't be going all over the place. Okay, see if I can put the screw. I can clamp this thing. Why work harder, right? Okay. Let me check, make sure that the green spring is seated in the cap. Yeah. Tighten one or two screws. Put another one. You can see it. I'll make sure that I don't pinch those the rubber. Okay, so as far as like plugging the port, so I know I'm not gonna use this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a plug in this one, because this is facing right on the exhaust on the dump pipe. I was checking it earlier. Before I had it, the tile is aligned with the exhaust output right here, but I needed this fitting this side. It should be facing like this, but I want this port for my air connections, and I don't want it to be on top, so it's better to be like this. Yeah. Plus I can always take it off and realign it if I don't like it. I'm gonna try it without the screamer pipe. Let's see. So if I put it here, the turbo is in the way. So the only really is the like this. Yeah, that's the only logic way. Squarely. Yeah, it'll be like that.
Okay, now the cord lines will be next. This
This one, tightening it can wait, because I have to put the one that goes over the oil pan. But so far, that's it. Nice, very nice. So this plug, I'll put it on this side. Because the fitting, if I put it on this side, it's a little bit too close to the pipe. So I put it on this side right here. This one here I might make some changes because of the hose routing. We'll see how it goes. I might put it on top, but I have to wait till I put the boost solenoid. Okay. I wonder where will be the good place for the boost solenoid. Just insert it, and then that's it. It's locked. So this is how I'm gonna run my hose. This one. Put on my boost control solenoid and all that. And I have made a bracket. Just the connector will be right in this area right here.